morning everyone, and welcome to the grade 6 experiment. Today we are joined by the grade 6 students from 6/4 to show us about the different type of electrical circuit that we've been learning about in the class. First we are going to talk about the components. What is the name of this component?
Battery.
This is a battery. What do we use to connect the battery? Wires connect to the light bulb. Okay, very good. And on this side, the same. These are two battery connect to a switch. The on-off switch is connected to two light bulb using the wire again. On this side, we have the simple or the series circuit. Maybe Keen, you can tell me about a series circuit. If one piece of the series circuit is broken, what do you think will happen to the light bulb? The light bulb will not work. We can see that if I disconnect one piece of the wire, the light bulb is no longer turned on. If I reconnect the wire again, it will turn on. Okay, like this. In this circuit, the problem is that if we have this circuit in the house, if one piece of the circuit is broken, maybe for example the TV is not working, we will not be able to charge the phone, use the lights, or use the kitchen. On this side we have the parallel circuit. Maybe you can tell me, what do you think will happen if I remove one light bulb from the parallel circuit? The whole circuit is still working, there's no problem. If I remove one battery, do you think it will still work? No, it's not working. We need two batteries, plus and minus, for the circuit to work. What type of circuit do you think you can find in the house? The parallel circuit or the series circuit is in the house? Parallel circuit. Why do I want the parallel circuit in the house?
Because if the one machine is broken, then how can it be so broken?
Yeah, it's not working. That's perfect. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for looking at the experiment today.